Okay,
minute.
let's
Cut.
watch some
Why
Subway
didn't the music
bloopers.
start playing?
Good idea, minimal.
Do you know? No. What about you?
Where's A?
No,
D?
A
Exactly.
has disappeared.
Where did the D go? Hey guys, what did I miss? Whatever. Take two, everybody. Wait a second. Cut again.
Cut. In
Well,
forever.
Oh.
We swap
No,
colors.
We
they made a
swipe
blooper,
colors.
actually. Well, what do you mean? You guys and the word TVO swapped colors. Oh, whoops. It's okay.
It's
Swap the
okay.
It's
colors
okay.
again.
Now,
Take
three.
Wait, cut. We have a different letter. What do you mean? E?
D.
Oh, I'm just S's replacement because S is out fishing right now. Come here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Oh well. We'll just wait for him to come back.
We'll
and
just
then
wait
we'll
for
do
him
take
come
4.
back and while him do
Cut.
take 4.
Why is the I red? Because I'm in sticky letter form. Sticky letter
Sticky
form?
letter form?
Yes. I stick to everything. Watch. Huh? Whoa. See?
Roll a good jump. Rate a
Bravo.
100 quadrillion. 10.
Bravo.
One,
Bravo.
Take 5.
Bravo.
Man, cut.
Bravo.
We have another different letter. What is it this time? B?
S.
Oh. I'm
Wait,
D's
did just say
replacement
B.
Because D doesn't feel so good right now.
Oh, nitrogen monoxide, he is dead. R by PY.
Oh
Well?
we'll just wait for the next day, and then we'll do take 6. Supercut. Why is D yellow? Because I'm a magnet. It's okay. Let's turn you back to normal, and then we'll do the next.
No, whoa, 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 whoa.
I'm just I replacement because I is D, X, A, and watching some Pixar short films. This time, I actually have the footage.
Thank God.
Wanna see it?
Yes, please. This is gonna be a great time watching these Pixar short films, right, guys?
Wait,
Yeah!
who said Pixar shorts instead
might
of
use it a
Mickey
little
Mouse
bit.
These
shorts?
in a movie theater. I have no idea. Waiting in 4 movies in a row? Oh, for goodness sake. Anyway, we'll just wait for I to come back, and then we'll do take the 3rd.
You just spelled me wrong.
The O is overflated. Oh. How is it overflated? Guys, I don't mean to interrupt, but the O is about to pop with slime.
Pop with slime.
Oh well, let's just wash ourselves.
Let's wash him
and
ourselves.
then we'll do take 9. Guys, why is P-Head doing here?
Oh, I'm just his replacement.
Please don't tell me that he went to the movies with someone again.
No, he is writing a poem right now. Sorry, I have no footage.
Can you please stop with
My ears hurt. Why? Stop it, JGJS and FISJGKS MANDSSSKCL DOVKSKC and UJ and FOSKL.
Kids logo here. Oh, I just want to be here. I'm sorry, but you can't. Oh, okay. Take 5.
Take V.
Okay, so far, so good. Maybe if this means we can...
Wait, who's that?
Coffee
Robot?
and robot.
Well, I guess not. Cut. Jamie, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm totally fine. Ivan, we're gonna have to do it somewhere else.
Yeah, we should. Sorry, Q. Well, that was odd. Anyway, let's go to take 7 now. Cut. We have a different letter again. What is it this time?
F, how dare you turn that's it or grounded for 999999999999999 quadrillion 999 trillion 999 billion, 999 million, 999,999 years.
I'm just S's replacement because S is now watching my movie starting on November called Christian Gotta Go Look at Bloopers. I'm so sorry, I don't have the footage.
When is someone gonna show a footage? Anytime, D. Anytime.
R. Calm down ... You don't want to rage like how S tried to rage. Reallys, I just said ...
After S comes back and then we'll do take 37. Cut. Why is the green S doing here? Oh, I'm just Pink S's replacement. Please don't tell me that S has gone fishing again. No, he's in the theaters with B and P because they're gonna watch Toy Story 4. Oh man, I've been dying to see this new Toy Story movie.
Fuck you, bitch you, you're amazing gay.
Oh well, we'll just wait for S to come back, and then we'll do take 26. Oh no, cut! Why'd you do cut again? You guys have different colors again. And what might that be? You guys, except S, have the Discovery Kids colors. Oh. Oops. It's okay. Swap the colors again and take 3. Cut. Why is Wreckin' Bass here? Oh, I'm just K's replacement because K has a playdate with Treehouse right now. Wee, the swings! Wee! It's okay. We'll just wait for K to come back and then take 4.
Cutty cut! This time we have an Arabic letter.
Oh no, GRRR. War fight.
Oh no, here comes the government jump scare. Have a look here.
Oh, me and N are just here because DNS went to Baskin Robbins with BNR. Hello and welcome to Baskin Robbins. What will you like to order? We would like vanilla ice cream with the cone, please. Okay, it's coming right up. Why do we have to do so much waiting? After this, we'll do take 24.
Cut! Why do you all look strangely weird?
We're not weird. Yeah. Also, the reason why we're here is because we just want to be here. Also, we have a strangely new guest.
Part 2 coming soon.